Hello, I'm Ben and welcome to my YouTube channel, Recipes Around the World. I am the creator of Recipes Around the World and I invite you to check out my blog at recipesaroundtheworld.com for a rich selection of food and drink recipes from around the world. Today's video is a part of my bartending/drink recipe series where I'm walking you guys through 11 categories of drinks in the bartending universe and beyond. Today's category is highball drinks, and the drink we're going to be making today is a woo-woo, okay? Little backstory to this drink. This drink was allegedly created by a bartender who worked out of Bayside. Bayside is a neighborhood in Queens, New York. So this bartender was a fan of the Mets, and every time the Mets, for those of you who are not familiar with American sports, the Mets is a baseball team. Every time the Mets would score, this bartender would go woo-woo and serve a round of this drink to his patrons. I don't know how true the story is. That's the allegedly backstory to the creation of this drink. But for what it's worth, the story does fall in line with the name of the drink, which is a woo-woo, okay? So really quickly, the ingredients we're going to be using is 1 ounce of vodka. We're going to use 1 ounce of Peach Schnapps. You can either use 4 ounces or fill with cranberry juice. The choice is yours. We're going to give it a nice shake because this has a juice in it. We're going to pour into our highball glass, and we're going to garnish with an orange wedge. You can optionally, typically an orange wedge is fine. If you want to add a cherry, that's an optional addition as well, okay? So let's make this drink really quick. This is a fun drink, really easy to make, very simple ingredient list. So should be fairly simple and straightforward to put together. As with all highball drinks, you always start off by filling your glass with ice. Okay, I made a little mess there. I'll clean that up. And we're making this in a shaker. So I'm gonna fill my shaker with some ice as well. Okay, so we're good there. Just put that to the side. Okay, I want to make this drink in the shaker so you can see. Sorry. So 1 ounce of vodka. Okay. Okay. 1 ounce of peach schnapps. Okay, 4 ounces or fill with cranberry juice. So we have that here. Yep, 4 or fill. Okay, just a little bit more. Okay, looks good. Let's move to the side. Let's give this a shake. Shake for 10 to 20 seconds. I'm gonna move this glass front and center so you can see the drink being poured in. And as you shake, if you want a good proxy if the drink is chilled, usually the shaker will start to frost. Can you see? As I'm moving this, you can see the frost. So that's a good indicator that the drink is getting chilled, okay? Okay, I feel good about that. Let's strain into our glass, front and center. Nice chilled out color, I like that. So this is our woo-woo. Okay, and to finish off, bring this back to me, you can just do a nice orange wedge on the side. And if you're feeling really cool, you can add a cherry. The cherry is optional, okay? And with all highball drinks, always finish with a straw. Ladies and gentlemen, little 360 for you this is our woo-woo. Okay, very simple drink to make, very easy vodka-based drink with peach schnapps. Fun drink, simple, and you know, if you just want to make a very simple drink, you can't go wrong with this. Okay. Again, I hope you enjoyed this drink recipe. My name is Ben. This is Recipes Around the World. Please subscribe. Please hit the subscribe button. And please hit the bell so you get notices for new drink and food videos. I hope you enjoyed this video. Happy New Year. I wish you nothing but the best in 2021. And I'll see you around for the next drink video in this series, okay? Take care and cheers.